Today's our first day in Tulum, possibly the only day that it's not going to be downpouring rain, we'll see. And we're about to take some bikes to the beach and go explore. So it's 2:30. Sam and I haven't left the house yet. It's our second day in Tulum. We actually did leave the house for a quick minute, thinking we were going to Chichen Itza, and when we plugged in the address, the ETA was like 3:20, and they closed at 3:40. So we were like, or they closed at 4. So we were like, yeah, maybe not worth it. So let's go back inside, put on our swimsuits, and take the bikes to the beach. So that's what we're doing.
And now we go to the jungle gym and it gets very, very strong for the woman.
Is it weird to bike like this?
Yes.
We're gonna see, we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. Show off that prego belly and get some tan in. Yeah. Let's go. So it's the second day that we've tried to go to Chichen Itza, and we get in the car and it's the exact same ETA that it was yesterday. So we get there at 3:20.
We're gonna have all of 39 minutes to enjoy it. It's pretty good.
And we're just gonna be okay with that because that's just how it's gonna be. Ooh, it's really bright.
Driving through the jungle. Jaguars everywhere.
We've arrived. 3:20.
The biggest pyramid in this part of the world.
One of the 7 wonders of the world. Let's do it in 40 minutes. Apparently, they would play a ball game here, and they would sacrifice the best players to the gods.
You can see the hoop right over there if you turn it.
And if you watch the, what is it, Road to El Dorado, you'll see the cartoon version of them playing that game. Doesn't incentivize you to be the best. It was a success. We are done. We even walked away with a little ring. And he got a little mixing bowl for his elixirs.
Yep.
And a rosary for Mama Elix. So we just came out here to check out the jungle. We are right next to it in our Airbnb.
We're in the jungle now, baby.
He was exploring it last night. Maybe not so smart at night, so we came out here during the day.
Get some good bird activity over here.
It's gorgeous. It's 3:20. We're arriving at a cenote, our excursion for the day. Cenote Corazon del Paraíso, I think. Quick snack before we go in. Yeah, because it's so slippery. Feels so weird being the pregnant woman. Today was going to be our early get out of the house day. We were like, let's make it happen. And I'm looking for a clock. I don't see a clock. What time is it, Samuel? I think it's like
12:49.
12:49. We're still at the house. Let's leave though. We got a giant water. Whoa. So let's do it. Last day! Hey, kitty. The way she runs through your hands. Bye, kitty.
Bye, kitty, kitty, kitty.
We're off.
We're off.